Welcome to CS with us. Firstly, we take 4 pieces and 1 switch, and connect 4 pieces to the switch. Then we configure the pieces. After some time, orange bubbles convert into green bubbles. Click on Simulation. On the right side you can see your project working, and output, and then send you mail from one PC to another PC. You can see how to switch check the mail, and where to send the mail. This is the original PC that sent the mail. And this is the same PC on which we sent the mail.